Every day, the market moves at a very specific time, and it moves between 50 and 1,000 pips depending on the volume in the market. I come to the market and I look for my daily bread, $100 a day. And in this video, I will show you the exact process that I follow to catch these high quality moves that are over in less than 20 minutes. If you are new to the channel, subscribe. Watch till the end because I promise you, you will change your life at the end of the video. Let's jump into the video. So let's start with time. If we look at volume, an indicator called volume, and it's just this volume, nothing else, we can go back and just see how the market behaves with volume. So I want you to look at between this dotted line and this dotted line. So there is very little volume, and then at very specific time of the day, we have a spike. Same thing here, volume and then spike. Same thing here, volume and then spike. Same thing here, volume and then spike. So this is showing you that at a very specific time of the day, it is a repeatable thing that volume kicks into the market. Now, what does this mean? So when you have volume in the market, this is what the candles look like. Notice, when you have volume in the market, you have very strong candles going down. Same thing here. When you have volume in the market, notice how the candles are big. So we are capitalizing on these two things. We have very aggressive candles because of volume. Now, when is this time? I start looking for trades after the market opens at 9:30 a.m. New York time. And I stop looking for setups at 11 a.m. Worst case scenario. But usually my trades are done by 10. I am out of the market. Let's look at a couple of trades that we've taken this week to show you what we mean. So I will draw a vertical line at 9:30 like that. I want you to pay close attention to price action on your left. And what you are looking for specifically is an area of support and resistance. What is support and resistance? So let's point it. We have this one touch. Then price comes and touches that line again before going down. So we have two touches there. That is our resistance. Then if we look at down here, we have this one touch, then price goes up, then price goes down again and touches it again. Now we have our support. So now that we have our support and resistance, what are we waiting for? And keep in mind, all this is happening on the 5-minute. And I don't really look at the higher time frames. I just come to the screen a few minutes before the market, look at the 5-minute, draw my high and low in terms of support and resistance. And then I wait for price to break out. Now notice, as price was breaking out, that is when you get in. Stop loss is above the breakout candle, and we were targeting a 1:2. You can see we got about a 1:2.8. Same thing can happen, but you also can get stopped out. But this is not to worry you, because even if it happens, it doesn't happen often. So same thing. If we come to the screen, let's put 9:30 first. So there is 9:30. If you go to your left, this is the high, and we have this one touch, second touch, third touch. And if you go to the downside, we have this one touch, this second touch. Now, notice that we got this breakout, and this was a trade I took, by the way. We got this breakout here, and price stops us out. And if this is okay, because if you do this every single day, you'll notice patterns and you'll know when price is not going in your direction. You can cut your losses very quickly because you know how the market is supposed to move. Compare this trade to this trade. Notice how this one just goes in your direction, and then the previous trade just goes against your direction immediately. That is a red flag. All right, let's look at a couple of more examples, like US 100 the previous day. If we look at US 100, we see here, this is 930. We see we have this one touch, then price comes to that level again before getting rejected. So we have a level of support here. And if you draw this line across, you'll notice that this is an area that was a resistance that turned support. And the moment price broke below it, that is your entry, short. Your stop loss is above breakout candle. And then you are targeting a 1:2, a 1:3. If you held, this one was a nice 1:4, 1:5. And this is the same formula that I use every single day. And if you are a nurse and you would like to make an extra income trading, this is the best way for you. Check our exclusive community in the description and we will help you make money for free. And for the rest of you guys, comment your thoughts so that I can create videos around the things you are struggling to help you. And if you got value from today's video, subscribe and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.